Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to add friends on Discord. Now, I've got two users set up here. On the left side, we have a user logged in on the Discord browser app, and on the right, another user is on the Discord desktop app. We're going to add the left user as a friend with the right user's account. So let's get started. First off, go to the top left corner and click on the Direct Messages button. You'll then see a green button that says Add Friend. Click on that. Once you're here, you'll need to type in the username of the friend you want to add. In my case, the username is Mutant Dust Bunny. After typing the username, just hit the Send Friend Request button. As soon as you do, the user on the left side using the browser app will get a friend request alert. To accept this friend request, what you'll do on the left side is click on that alert. You'll then see some pending notifications. Go ahead and click on those. Now you'll see the user who sent you the friend request. To accept it, just click on the checkmark button. Once you do that, the user who sent you the friend request will show up under your direct messages. Finally, you can start messaging this new friend. Just click on their username and start typing your message. And on the right side, where the desktop app is, you'll get a notification for that message. To reply, all you've got to do is click on that alert and type your message back. And there you go, folks. That's how you send and accept friend requests on Discord. You're all set to add more friends and make your Discord experience even better.